Alright, welcome to the last video of the Easy Cash Journey system, and I hope you've really learned a lot of stuff. Now, before I talk about how I want to build a website that I want to sell for $25,000 over the next 2 months, I need to say that the secret to success is taking action. All right, not only do you learn all this kind of stuff, ensure you implement them, ensure you take action on them, because that is so important and critical. All right, so ensure you take the necessary steps immediately. And if you have any question whatsoever, you can just shoot me a mail or you send me a PM in my Warrior Forum account, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now, remember, I want to show you in this video right now on how I'm building a website that I want to sell for $25,000. And this is the website. Actually, you can see simple looking. It probably have about 6 product reviews right now or so. I have to hide the domain name, so I don't want some people to copy it. So what is the difference between this website and the other ones I've shared in the previous videos? There's nothing really. Only the fact is that this domain name, I cover many and different product reviews. All right, I cover many product reviews. You can see this is a product review, customized fat loss. This is another one, Grutola for idiots. This is the product keyword I used in the previous video. You can see that I am implementing what I'm teaching you. This is another one, is Adonai's golden ratio, right, and so on and so on. This is let's see, this is boost your bust, so many here. Okay, right, so I just went to ClickBank, but this time around, instead of picking one product on one domain like I told you earlier, I registered a general domain, actually a PR4, which I bought for about $80, and I loaded several product reviews on it. So what I'm going to do is to rank for all these product reviews. Right, I'm going to rank for all these product reviews, and if I rank for these product reviews, I believe I should be able to make it. I should be able to make $200 a day. All right, which is actually quite easy. And in a month, I should make about $6,000, and I can sell it for 5 months income, which is about $25,000. And I probably would sell it for more. I'm really hoping I could sell it for maybe between $40,000 to $60,000 range. Okay. And then these are some of the keywords I showed you earlier. Penis enlargement Bible. I've ranked for this keyword before, and I made a ton of money from it. All right. If you go to my ClickBank account and transaction, if you put in the PE Bible, let's say between the month of let's say the month of March, okay, just the month of March alone, and I'm gonna put PE Bible, so you can see how much when I ranked for this keyword, how much I made that month. Sorry, there's something wrong. Okay, it's a one word. Alright, check this out. Rankings for this keyword alone in the month of March, I made over $1,200. Just one keyword. Right? One keyword, one website, over $1,000. What about the next month, the month of April? How much did I make? Let's see. Check this out. $1,900. The second month, just one keyword. $1,900. Can you see how cool this is? What about the month of May? How much did I make from this keyword? $1,500. All right, it goes on and on and on. So I'm sure I can rank this website to rank many keywords of it too. I already have some of these keywords actually in page 2. For like this keyword, I already have it in page 2 already. Then the Adonai's golden ratio, I have it on page 3. Right, and probably by the time you're watching this video, I'll have it on page 1, but I'm not going to reveal the domain name of the website to you. Okay, but you can see it's something anybody can do. Have an about us page, have a privacy policy, the affiliate disclosure, contact us, and that is all. You can see my name here. Okay, you can see my name here, and that is all, nothing else. Okay, so simple. All right, you can do this one too if you want to, but if you're starting out, I suggest you start with the one keyword, one domain, one keyword, one website strategy. All right, but if you want to go big, you can use this strategy. Just shoot me an email and I'll tell you what to do, but it will cost more money. Probably you need to start with probably about $500 investment, because right now you're not trying to rank for one keyword but maybe 5 or 6 keyword, or probably even more. Right, That is how it works. Nothing difficult, of course. All right. So I want to, what do you do now? If I was starting out, what am I going to do? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is to find a keyword, right? I'm going to find a keyword. Then I'm going to register my domain. Okay, I'm going to register a domain. All right, this will cost me $10. Finding a keyword, either I'm going for a product or a niche, will probably take me 30 minutes. And below this, somewhere on this page, you're going to see a PDF that contains some product review keywords that you can just start working on right away. But probably about let's just say 1 hour of my time. Then I'm going to host it. All right, hosting probably cost me maybe $4 a month. I can use Bluehost. Then what am I going to do next? I can decide to I'm going to set up my website, get a theme. All right, I set up my website, get a theme, write product review. Probably take maybe a whole day to especially if you're just starting out. I will install. Okay, I will install the all-in-one SEO plugin. I will of course install other plugins, set up a theme, right? Write product review. Okay, write a product review. If I was going for a product review website, but if I was going for a normal niche website, I'm going to write some articles, probably 5 or 10 or something. All right. If you don't want to do this, we can do this for you. Of course, we can do this for you for $65. All right. You're going to find a link below this video. We'll build your website for you for $65, so you can go for this. So $65, $10, I have $75 plus this one. This is probably about $74. All right, $74. Assuming you're going with our service, which is faster. So when I have this up, what do? I want to rank. It's time to rank. What do? I get a Fiverr $5 service. All right, then I pay for I get high PR links, and I showed you some of my websites where you can get high PR links. All right, you can see the link below this video, and you can start out with maybe the $67 service for a start. Okay, so let's see what that totals. $74 plus $5 plus $67. So with just less than $150, I'll probably rank your website to Google page 1. Think about that, just $150 right now. Okay, and if you're not going for our service, it will cost you probably about $90 instead. Can you see how simple this is? You don't need to invest so much. So simple. And I'm just going to pick any keyword, any product review. Let's assume I want to go for this one right now. Okay, can I rank for this? Well, let's see. I'm going to go to Google, and this is just about 1 million, so this is quite easy. I can actually rank for this. This is quite easy. Okay, rank for this. All right, and it has about 5,400 monthly search, and I'm sure it's more than that. Okay, pretty sure, because don't forget, like I taught you in the how to rank to page 1, you can actually rank for multiple keywords of the same product. Let's see. All right, you can see this is 1,900. This is 320, 170, 1,900 also, 170, and so on and so forth. So anyway, if I rank for these websites, all right, let's say 5,419. Okay, let's assume I rank for these two keywords since they are similar. 5,400. I rank page 1 for these keywords and 19. That'll give me about 7,300. All right. If let's assume in worst case scenario, I get I'm in page 1, but worst case scenario, if I get just 10% of that number to come to my website, I'm going to get 730 visitors. Okay, 730 visitors. Now, if I convert that 2%, at 2%, I'm going to have 14 sales. Now, assuming that this product pays me $30 commission for each sale, I'm going to make $430. Now, we're saying worst case scenario. All right. If I make $430, now let's say I'm going to sell this website for 4 or 5 months income. All right. Now, don't forget when I showed you Empire Flippers, you can actually sell this for 10 times to 20 times the monthly income. But let's just say, we're trying to be as conservative as possible. Let's say you sell it for just 5 times the monthly income. You have times 5. All right. Plus your previous, I think was 438. That was $2,600. All right. You will go from 0 to $2,600. And don't forget, these are keywords you can rank for within a month. Okay, so think about that. To invest $150 and you're making $2,600. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you're going to make this. You can make more, but you can make less. But it's the potential, all right, the potential for you succeeding is over 90%, because this is so easy. Anybody can do it. I'm doing it. A lot of people are doing it, and I hope you're going to take action immediately, right? If you have any question, like I said, just shoot me a mail. I'll get back to you. And I hope you love the easy journey cash system. I would like you to put a review on the Warrior Forum link. You're going to find the Warrior Forum link below this video. Put a review there. If you put a review, I'm going to give you a special bonus. Okay, once you put a review, positive review, I'm going to send you a PM and I'm going to give you a special bonus. This bonus alone is worth $200. Okay, I'm not going to disclose it right now, but trust me, once you see this bonus, you're going to be blown away. So just leave a positive review of this course in the Easy Cash Journey Warrior Special Offer. You're going to find the link below this video, and I'll send you a PM and I'll give you a special $200 bonus package. Apart from that, if you have any question whatsoever, just shoot me a mail and I hope to help you. Thank you so much for investing in the Easy Cash Journey system. See you at the top.